Hi there, in this video we're going to transfer photos from old iPhone to new iPhone and keep geotagged information on photos. Yes, that means all the geolocation data or GPS data will be returned when you transfer photos to another iPhone. Okay, let's jump right into the first step. Connect your old iPhone with DearMob iPhone Manager using data cable. Select photos that you like to transfer to new iPhone and click Export. If the photos are embedded with geotags, GPS data, then this data will be preserved when you transfer photos to Mac. Okay, it's done. If you want to view photo geotags, right-click a photo, select Open with Preview, then hold down both Command key plus I to bring out the inspector. Okay, here you can see metadata of your photo, from general information to the more technical ones. They are all here. Also, you can bring out this inspector by going to the menu bar and click Tools, Show Inspector. But I personally prefer this Command plus I shortcut. Easy to remember, right? Moving on to the second step, plug in new iPhone. In this case, we are using the iPhone 10 running iOS 12. See, there is only 2 pictures on the map for now. Then go to Photos, click that plus icon to add a new album. Name it whatever you want. Then click Add Photo on the top bar. Select all the traveling photos that we've just exported from the old iPhone. Click Open and click Sync. Then the software will start to sync these photos to this new iPhone. There are more than 900 photos, so it's gonna take a while. When it's done, grab your new iPhone, go to Photos app, and here is what we are going to do. As the Photos app doesn't read the GPS data of photos synced from computer, the workaround is to duplicate the photos, then you shall be able to see photos appear on map. So let's tap at Albums, go to this newly added photo album. See, all the traveling photos are synced. Then click Select All, and down below here is this sharing icon. Then swipe right and you will be able to see this duplicate icon. Tap on it to duplicate the photos, and nailed it. Then we head to the Places album, and remember before we only have 2 photos on the map. Now we have all the traveling photos back on the map, and we can enjoy these nice memories on the new iPhone. But wait. As we have duplicated photos before we synced 900 some photos, now we have another copy of 900. It's doubled. Now we have resort to DearMob iPhone Manager to delete photos in that album. Go select all, click Delete Photo, and click Sync. And now we only have 900 some photos with geotags. And that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you like this workaround to preserve geotags on photos. Subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks, and we will see you next time.